Hey everyone! If you're using the Gamma app for presentations, you might have noticed a watermark on your exported slides. When exporting, Gamma prompts you to upgrade to remove it, but that costs money. Don't worry. I found a quick, easy, and free way to remove that watermark. This method is super simple and requires no paid upgrades or complicated software. Just follow these steps, and you'll have a clean, professional-looking presentation in no time. Let's dive in and get rid of that watermark. The first thing you need to do is open the Canva app. If you don't have Canva installed, you can easily download it from the App Store or Google Play, or use the web version on your computer. Click on Upload Files and select the PPT file you previously downloaded from Gamma. Once your file is uploaded, you'll see all of your slides displayed within Canva. Now, it's time to remove that unwanted watermark. In the side panel, go to Projects and locate the uploaded presentation. Open the presentation and carefully go through each slide one by one. Find the Gamma AI watermark. It's usually located in a corner or at the bottom of each slide. Simply delete the watermark by clicking on it and pressing the Delete button on your keyboard. Once you remove the watermark from all slides, you're ready to export your presentation without it. Click on the Share button at the top right corner. Choose Download from the menu. Select PPTX as your file format to maintain compatibility with PowerPoint and other presentation software. Click Download, and your presentation will be saved to your device. It's now completely watermark-free. This method ensures that you can use your presentation anywhere without the Gamma watermark interfering with your slides. Whether you're presenting in a meeting, a classroom, or sharing your slide with others, you now have a clean and professional file without any distractions. I hope this guide helped you successfully remove the Gamma watermark. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any other presentation-related issues you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care.